Essential elements of trespass to person. Introduction. Trespass to person is a tort that protects an individual's bodily integrity and personal liberty. For an act to amount to trespass to person, certain essential elements must be present. These elements help courts determine liability even when no actual damage is proved. Trespass to person is actionable per se, meaning proof of damage is not required. Understanding these elements is important for LLB examinations. Direct interference with the person. There must be a direct and immediate interference with the body or liberty of a person. The act should not be indirect or consequential. The interference may be through physical contact, threat, or restraint. Even minimal contact can amount to interference. Directness is a key requirement in trespass. Intention or negligence. The act causing interference must be intentional or negligent. Purely accidental acts without negligence do not amount to trespass. Intention does not mean intention to cause harm, but intention to do the act itself. Reckless behavior may also attract liability. Thus, mental element plays an important role. Absence of lawful justification. The interference must be unlawful. If the act is justified by law, such as lawful arrest or self-defense, it will not amount to trespass. Consent of the person also acts as lawful justification. Without legal authority or consent, interference becomes wrongful. Lawfulness determines liability. Without consent of the plaintiff. The act must be done without the consent of the person affected. Consent may be express or implied. Any contact or restraint with valid consent is not trespass. Consent obtained by fraud, coercion, or mistake is not valid. Lack of consent is essential to establish trespass. Interference with body or liberty. There must be interference either with the body, as in assault or battery, or with personal liberty, as in false imprisonment. The law protects both physical safety and freedom of movement. Total restraint is required in false imprisonment. Any such interference attracts liability. Conclusion. To establish trespass to person, it must be shown that there was direct and unlawful interference with a person's body or liberty, done intentionally or negligently, and without consent or legal justification. Since trespass to person is actionable per se, even slight interference can result in liability. Understanding these essential elements is crucial for scoring well in LLB examinations.